NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024. Vacancy 13. Date the 9th of August to the 17th of September 2024. Age 18 to 30 years. Fees SAW. Qualification 8th to B.Tech as per post. The National Institute of Hydrology NEET Roorkee has released the notification for the recruitment of various posts including the Senior Research Assistant, Technician Grade 3, Lower Division Clerk, LDC, Staff Car Driver, Ordinary Grade. The NEET recruitment notification is released and offline applications are invited from the 9th of August to the 17th of September 2024. Important dates. The NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024 notification is released on the 9th of August 2024 and offline applications are invited from the 9th of August to the 17th of September 2024. The exam date for the NEET Roorkee Group C Non-Teaching Recruitment 2024 will be notified by the Institute. Fee. The application fee to apply for the NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024 is ₹100 for the General, EWS and OBC category candidates. The candidates of SC, ST and PWD categories are exempted from the payment of the application fee. The application fee has to be paid through demand draft (DD) in favor of the National Institute of Hydrology, Roorkee payable at Roorkee. Vacancies, Eligibility, Age Limit. The age limit for NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024 is 18-30 years for Senior Research Assistant, 18 to 27 years for Technician and LDC, 18 to 25 years for Driver posts. The cutoff date for the calculation of the age limit is the 17th of September 2024, the last date of applications. Qualification. Senior Research Assistant 3B. Tech in CE, CS or PG in a related field. Technician GR, 3 10th pass JOR 5 years. XP or ITI JOR 3 years. XP or NAC JOR 2 years. XP, LDC 5 12th pass JOR Typing. Staff Car Driver 28th pass JOR. Selection Process. The selection process of the NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024 includes the written exam followed by the skill test, document verification, and medical examination. Written exam. Skill test type TS driving test as per post requirement. Document verification. Medical examination. How to apply. Follow these steps to apply for the NEET Roorkee Recruitment 2024. 1. Visit the website neetroorkee.gov.in. 2. Then click on the Career and Opportunities link on the home page. 3. Here is the list of all the recruitments by the NEET Roorkee. 4. Download the NEET Roorkee application form PDF and take a print out of it. 5. Duly fill up the offline application form and attach the application fee demand draft and other required documents. 6. Write on the envelope containing the application form, application for the post of. 7. Send the application form to the address Senior Administrative Officer, National Institute of Hydrology, Jal Vigyan Bhavan, Roorkee, Haridwar, उत्तराखंड 2,47,667।
Thanks for watching. More updates, subscribe to my channel. Like and comment. And share with friends.